We're looking at a huge amount of rucksacks. What do I get in a rucksack?
Anything from 20 litres to 35 litres is standard. Here we have a 25 litre pack.
That looks about my size, yeah.
When you're buying a pack, there's a few things that you ideally want to have. The first is you want a chest strap here,
Right.
which you will adjust to your own size. Okay. You want your toggles pulled nice and tight here so that your pack,
So
Linda,
the weight of my pack is up
is
on my
up
back.
on your back and evenly distributed.
Okay.
And you want a nice bit of padding around the side here, and you want a waist strap, okay?
Okay.
So you want everything nice and tight and snugly fitting on your back.
Oh, actually, I feel the difference. Yeah, you've just pulled it right in onto my shoulders.
And yeah. Well, you see, what you can do is you can distribute the weight differently so that it's either on your shoulders, on your hips, on your back. Really, what you want is a nice level distribution of weight.
How about keeping it off my back so I don't get hot?
Now, if I turn you to the side there, Linda, you will see that there is a venting system here. Now, some packs have that, and they're absolutely excellent, because if you have a pack close to your body and you're walking all day in the heat, you're working hard, then you can get quite sweaty. This venting system is lovely, and it's a nice support system as well for your back, so I would definitely recommend something like that in your pack. Make sure, if you carry a hydration system, that there's facility for it in the pack. And should you walk with poles, it's nice as well if there's a little attachment system on your pack, which is on the other side of your pack.
Okay.
Linda, if we turn you around, just here you can attach your poles. Generally speaking, the outside membrane of a pack is shower-proof, okay? So you've got time, if there's a sudden shower, that you can do something about it. So a lot of packs will have a zip here, and they will have either on top or bottom. They will have, in this instance it's on bottom, they will have a rain cover, and you can take that out and put that over your pack. As a hard and fast rule, most people will carry dry sacks, something like this. Okay, this is a large version now, but you can have a small version. Waterproof bag inside your rucksack, and you can put your clothes into this, your valuables, etc., anything that you want to keep dry. That's a very good rule of thumb, especially in Irish weather.
I've got my water inside it in either a hydration pack, or I guess I can put a bottle on the outside. So what else am I going to put in?
Well, it's a very good practice to bring a hat and a buff and gloves with you. And this is a buff which can be worn around the neck. Very versatile piece of kit. It can be quite windy. This can be worn up around your face.
Lovely and snug.
Again, a pair of gloves in your pack, always a good idea, because especially if you're going up summits and things, it can be very cold.
Okay.
The final thing, you can have a warm hat, or you can have a sun hat as well with you, depending on the conditions.
We do get sunny.
We do get sun. Now we have a set of poles here, Linda. Now, in some ways with poles, very much personal preference. Some people carry them, some people don't. I'll tell you the advantages of them. If you're on uneven terrain and need a bit of help with your balance, they certainly help. They're good for prodding the ground ahead of you in marshy conditions. If you're not sure of your footing, they're also good for if you're going downhill. Sometimes there can be a bit of stress on the knees. They redistribute the weight from your legs to your arm and your torso, which can be quite good for toning up your upper body, as well as taking some of that pressure off your knees.
I have my rucksack, I'll get my jacket on, and I think I'm ready to go walking.